My name is Mitchell Kern. I'm inside salesman here at Universal Tool and Engineering. UTE manufactures and supplies CNC equipment such as tube benders, tube lasers, sheet lasers, and press brakes. We have been around since 1979. We're very well established in the tube bender world. We've got a lot of machines and a lot of respectable companies. We have ventured into lasers in the last several years. We take pride in providing service with American support. I'm currently over in the tube hall here at FabTech. We have got us a work cell set up with a 38mm UTE Select machine. We have got a chain style loader feeding it and a Yaskawa robot taking the parts off. That is a typical work cell that UTE sets up all the time. We have hundreds of them across the country. We also have a combination tube and sheet laser set up behind me. This is a full 5x10 sheet laser with a 20-foot tube capability. Not only do we sell you a machine, but we walk you through the entire process. We tell you what tooling you need, what machine you need, and we give quite a bit of advice through engineering on the best way to perform it.
Hello, my name is Jamie Abraham. I'm the president of Universal Tool and Engineering. UTE serves all industries. Top three is automotive, aerospace, and HVAC. I'd say the biggest challenge our customers face right now is skilled labor, finding skilled labor to operate the equipment. We meet that challenge by providing intuitive software options for the customers with the controls on our machine. They're very intuitive. They got wizards that make the machine easier to run. Our claim to fame is our service. Just as important as the sale is to us is the service and support after the sale. We back that up with a leading 3-year warranty on our equipment.
I'm Matt Becker. I'm a service technician with UTE. I've got over 15 years of experience with various equipment in almost every industry, working on several different projects. And working at UTE, the thing that sets us apart is definitely our service. The technology is exploding, everybody's using it, but knowing that you can call someone local in the States to get service, that's gonna talk to someone you can understand, is gonna help you do what we can 24/7 to get you back up and running or figure out what we can do to help you, UTE provides the best customer service.